Today, I'll walk you through how to add a link to a button to a container using CSS ID in Elementor WordPress, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create functional buttons that enhance your website's navigation, so you can provide a better user experience for your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access the Elementor editor. To do this, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and select the page you want to edit. Once there, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor interface where all the magic happens. Next, we need to focus on the advanced settings. On the left panel, look for the Advanced tab. Clicking on this will reveal additional options that allow you to customize your elements further. This is where we will set our CSS ID, which is crucial for linking our button to the container. Now let's assign a CSS ID to our container. In the Advanced tab, find the field labeled CSS ID. Here, you can enter a unique identifier for your container. This ID will be used to link the button to this specific section of your page. After setting the CSS ID, it's time to add the button. In the left panel, use the search bar and type button. This will filter the available widgets, making it easy to find the button element you need. Drag and drop the button into the desired location on your page. Once the button is in place, it's time to set the link. Click on the button to open its settings. In the link field, you will enter the CSS ID you created earlier prefixed with a hashtag. For example, if your CSS ID is My Section, you would enter My Section in the link field. This step is essential for ensuring that clicking the button will scroll the page to the correct container. Now let's make the button text clear and inviting. Click on the button text that says Click Here and change it to something more descriptive, like Go to Section or Learn More. This helps users understand where the button will take them. Finally, once you're satisfied with your button and its link, it's time to publish your changes. Click on the Publish button at the bottom of the panel. This will make your new button live on your website, ready for visitors to use. And there you have it. You've successfully added a link to a button using a CSS ID in Elementor WordPress. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core concepts remain the same across various versions. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.